one you may want to try. I don't know, it's kind of dangerous. So this is not the stick you hit people with, because that would be weird. Taking a stick, broom stick, anyone you want to use, this is Home Depot. 2012 I think I bought it, I'm not sure. From my office, and take the stick, and then come all the way back.
Wow, that's hard to do. You have good range of motion. I can't
I
believe
practice
it.
every day.
Look at that. Look
Every
at
day I
that.
practice my routine every day. I do, my routine is, I do 5 wide.
Wow.
At that point, have a little cup of coffee.
Is that
And then-
5 feet? Looks like.
This is maybe like 3 feet.
Oh, maybe I could do it with that light
Yeah.
one.
At that point, I do a little bit closer after a cup of coffee.
I can't believe you can do that so easily.
But
Yum.
I'll be humble. It took me 3 days to get over my head.
Okay.
I tore my left shoulder back in 2000.
Ooh, now you're getting.
This part of my rehab was trying to do
Yeah.
this and starting with this.
Yeah.
You're going,
Yeah.
going.
I know. Ow, 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 ow,
It's not gonna happen. I went like this, and all of a sudden, I'm like, okay, that's it.
Well, even without it.
Just you're trying to get the arms back, right? It's not easy.
Yeah, you don't even, not even,
It's just setting. So once try it.